Hey guys, welcome to Family Renovate.
Today we're going to be showing you guys one of our first videos that we actually filmed, which was an L-shaped desk. We had some trouble editing and, just working through the kinks. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys have any questions, concerns, comments, just like, share, and subscribe, and
enjoy the video.
Bye.
My wife came up with an idea of making wrought iron L-shaped desk. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to accomplish it. We have the tools here ready to go. Let's go to work. It's going to be 21 wide, 60 inches long by 46. All this is going to be X'd out. Okay, so this is my section right here. Okay, I'm going to bring this side over. Okay. So as I start my cuts, we're dealing with a 3/4 inch plywood, some really good tape down. This is going to prevent the flaking. You can see the L-shaped desk taking shape here. Well, I'm going to use a block sander to smooth down the corners, get all the burrs off, and take it from there. After going through a bunch of stains, 2 different stains.
3.
My wife decided to go with a dark walnut. I'm going to do that. Apply that right now. You always want to go in the direction of the wood. Straight to the wood. Just rub it gently into the wood. The rest of the stain will do its work. Just like that. In the direction of the wood only. It's the best way for the stain to be have a nice even look, consistency.
Baby, I think I want the lighter one now.
You know, it's too bad. You got this. Too late. Okay, we're all set. I put on the 3 coats of men wax. We went with a dark walnut stain. That's what my wife wanted to go with. So it looks up pretty good to get that drying. I also did the trim that's going to surround the borders. And also right now what we're going to do is start spray painting the wrought iron pipes. So let's go. We're back. We had to wait 24 hours for it to dry, so we're back next day. Here we have the wrought iron bars we're going to be using for the supports. We're going to line those in line with the studs that we're going to have on the wall. Look at how we're going to install this here. Matte black supports, 5/8 screws that we use to tighten this up to our 3/4 inch board to prevent it from blowing out to the top. I'm going to get some help.
You're a mess.
Okay, those studs are 16 on center. You use a stud finder, mark it, get it all leveled out. We're going to install this, get it straight. Let's go. This is when it gets too dark out. You get a little $20 light.
Oh, snap. Give me ghetto real quick. Let me hold it.
Ghetto?
Yeah, we'll be ghetto. So far, he's called it a sectional, a table.
I got all kinds of names.